Now, the third option, actually what I told you, it is the programmer's responsibility to foresee what type of exceptions are thrown, he has to guess, and the corresponding catch block he or she must write. Okay. By ignorance and inadvertence of the programmer, the corresponding catch block is not written. Actually, number of catch blocks are written, but for that object thrown, exception object thrown, no relevant catch block is there. That means no local catch block is available. Then what happens? Then immediately finally block is executed. Finally block is executed, and then propagation is started. Propagation means then system searches for the stack in the who are the calling methods. The exception handling code can be written any of the caller method. So, it propagates it where it is available. Then after executing the final block, the propagation, that means the search for the suitable catch block is started. How long it is continued? The search goes up to the main. Main is the first caller, with that only execution is started. So, simply to explain, in order to incorporate this concept in your mind, just simple example I am telling you. Searching catch block means searching for a doctor. So, locally doctor is available. Now, a doctor is available, some dentist is available, some cardiologist is available and some ENT specialist is available. Now, the three are not relevant. Three are not relevant. Now, we want a skin specialist. So, those are not locally available. Then what happens? Where skin specialist is available, it searches. How long it is continued? Up to the main. In the meantime, any skin specialist is available, then treatment is done there. Suppose no skin specialist is available up to the main, in the search of up to the main. Then what happens? Already I told you, no catch block, no exception handling code is available. Then what happens? Already I told you, default exception handler handling mechanism takes the charge and it declares the program and terminates the program, declares the exception and terminates the program. So, here what you have to understand, only try and finally block, writing only try and finally block is legal, nothing wrong in that. Already I told you the purpose of finally block is to provide cleanup code. And one more thing you must remember, in try block you may write some jump statements like break, continue and return. You may write. Even though if you write these statements in try block, finally block is executed. That means finally block is in all cases it is executed except one. If you write system.exit, if you call system exit static method in the try block and program is terminated without executing the finally block. So, these points you must remember. Otherwise, if you one time, just a matter of 15 minutes or 20 minutes, if you focus on that, if you write a notes, you never forget. Otherwise, in some situations you get a doubt. Again, you have to refer back. That's why don't waste your future time. So, today if you focus and incorporate every point in your brain, it ensures your future time, it protects your future time and you never be tired. Otherwise, suddenly because of some problem, this type of thing if you do in any future program, unnecessarily you are disturbed, your program is stopped, then again what mistake you commit for debugging sake, lot of time you have to waste. Prevention is better than cure. That point always you remember, and there is a military saying, if more sweat in the field, there is less blood in the war field. More sweat means if you work hard at the time of training, you can avoid the blood in the war field. That point always you remember while studying concepts and transforming that knowledge into skills.